Hello, friends. Welcome back to English for Beginners. Today, we have a special story. It is told from the perspective of a girl named Maya. Have you ever felt like your life is messy? Have you ever felt too tired to chase your dreams? Maya felt that way too, but she found a secret. She didn't change her life in one day. She changed it one small step at a time. Please listen to Maya's story. I hope it helps you.
Journey to a Better Life, the 1% Rule. Chapter 1, Living in Gray. My name is Maya. I am 24 years old. 6 months ago, I did not like the person I saw in the mirror. My life felt like a gray cloud. Every morning, my alarm rang at 7 a.m. And every morning, I hit the snooze button. I pulled the blanket over my head. Just 5 more minutes, I whispered. But 5 minutes turned into 40 minutes. I woke up late, panicked and stressed. I didn't eat breakfast. I just drank a cold coffee and ran to catch the bus. My evenings were worse. I came home from work, sat on my sofa, and opened Instagram. I scrolled for hours. I saw my friends traveling to beaches. I saw people with perfect bodies at the gym. I saw people cooking healthy food. Why is everyone happy except me? I thought, I am lazy. I am stuck. I will never change. My room was messy. My clothes were on the floor. My dreams were dying. Chapter 2, The Night the Lights Went Out. One Tuesday evening, everything changed. Suddenly, the electricity in my apartment cut off. Click. The TV turned off. The Wi-Fi stopped working. The room was pitch black. I couldn't look at my phone. I couldn't watch Netflix. For the first time in a long time, I was alone with my thoughts. I lit a small candle and sat at my kitchen table. I looked at my reflection in the dark window. I looked tired. I looked sad. Maya, I said to myself, you are waiting for a miracle. You are waiting to wake up one day and be a different person. But miracles don't happen. You have to save yourself. I found a notebook and a pen. I started to write a list of goals. 1. Run 10 kilometers. 2. Read 50 books. 3. Learn Spanish perfectly. 4. Wake up at 5 a.m. I looked at the list. My stomach hurt. It was too big. It felt impossible. I felt like crying. Then, I remembered a quote I read once. Do not try to be perfect. Just try to be 1% better than yesterday. I ripped up the page. I wrote a new list. It had only one rule. Tomorrow, wake up 10 minutes early and make your bed. Chapter 3, The First Victory. The next morning, the alarm rang. My body wanted to sleep. My bed was so warm. No, I told myself. Just 10 minutes. I stood up. I turned around and looked at my messy sheets. I pulled the blanket up. I arranged the pillows. It took exactly 2 minutes. I stepped back and looked. My bed looked neat. It looked like a hotel bed. A small feeling grew in my chest. It was pride. I did one good thing today, I thought. Because I was up 10 minutes early, I had time to sit by the window and drink a glass of water. I watched the sun come up. That day, I didn't run to the bus. I walked. I felt a little bit lighter. Chapter 4, Motivation versus Discipline. For 1 week, I was doing great. I felt motivated. But then, the second week arrived. It was a rainy Tuesday. My boss yelled at me at work. I had a headache. I felt terrible. I came home and looked at my sofa. It looked so comfortable. I don't want to make a healthy dinner, I thought. I want to eat pizza and sleep. This was the test. I realized something important that day. Motivation is like the weather. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes it rains. You cannot trust motivation. But discipline is like a muscle. You have to use it, even when you are tired. I stood in my kitchen. I don't have to cook a big meal, I said. I just have to eat an apple. So, I ate an apple. Then, I felt a little better, so I made a sandwich. I didn't quit. I kept my promise to myself. Chapter 5. The Chain Reaction. 1 month passed. I didn't lose 10 kilograms immediately. I didn't speak fluent Spanish yet. But my life was different. It is called the compound effect. Small things add up. Because I made my bed, I wanted to keep my room clean. Because my room was clean, I could find my running shoes. Because I found my shoes, I started walking home from work. Because I walked home, I was tired at night, so I slept better. Because I slept better, I was happier in the morning. My friend Sarah noticed it first. We were having coffee one afternoon.
Maya, you look different. You are glowing. Did you get a new job?
She said. I smiled. No, I said. I just started making my bed. Chapter 6. The Person I Am Now. It has been 6 months now. I am writing this story on a Sunday morning. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. without an alarm. The sun is shining. I am not perfect. I still have bad days. Sometimes I feel lazy. Sometimes I eat too much chocolate. But I am not stuck anymore. I know that if I have a bad day, I can try again tomorrow. I learned that you don't need to change your whole life in one night. You don't need to be a superhero. You just need to be 1% better today than you were yesterday. If I can do it, you can do it too. Start small, make your bed, drink some water, believe in yourself. So, that is my secret. I did not climb a mountain in one day. I just took one small step and then another. If you are listening to this and you feel stuck, please don't give up. Look at your messy room. Look at your dirty dishes. Do not try to fix everything today. Just wash 1 cup. Just read 1 page. Just walk for 5 minutes. The magic is not in the big moments. The magic is in the small moments that nobody sees. My name is Maya. I am building a better life, 1% at a time. And I know you can do it too.
Wow, thank you, Maya, for sharing that beautiful story. I hope you liked this story. It teaches us 2 very important English words. Discipline. This means doing the work even when you don't feel like it. The compound effect. This means that small actions, repeated every day, create huge results. Maya taught us that we don't need to be perfect. We just need to start. If this story inspired you, please hit the like button. It helps our channel grow so we can make more stories for you. Don't forget to subscribe to English for Beginners and turn on the notification bell. Remember Maya's rule. Just be 1% better than yesterday. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day and see you in the next video.